Hello and welcome to the WebDataGuru highlight reel. I'm your host, Brian Robinson, longtime director of pricing turned developer. Like many of you, my pricing department lacked the resources to fully capture our value proposition. So as a client, I collaborated with WebDataGuru to build a platform that was simple, fast, and flexible. Our solution provides companies with local AI-driven web scraping, custom analytics, rules-based pricing, and location-specific deployment at a fraction of the cost of consultants, web scrapers, and pricing software. So let's take a look at what our platform can do for you. Here we have one demo version of our client price intel. I say one version because all charts, every screen can be customized and drilled down into. This is more of a national view, but I can click down into each one of the states and pull up the different dealerships. I can also just click into each dealership from the home screen during the drop-down box and look at how their pricing is set up and their competitiveness. One other thing that you'll notice is we save all data. We store the dimensions, the price, was it in stock, out of stock, and as we drill down into the specific locations, what you'll notice is we save all information, every scrape, dimension, price, if it's in stock, out of stock. And once we've stored that information, we can apply whatever analytics that our clients want to. So looking at where we're higher or lower, which carts moved since the last price web scrape. How do I stack up overall on the price breakup? Where do we have exact matches versus cross-reference? We can add as many different bifurcation, I guess, if you will. Does it have the same warranty? Is it made of the same material? We can add all of that as searching criteria. As a user, I found this price difference bucket to be the most useful to me. This way I could drill down into categories and make sure that the pricing aligned with any sales or company initiatives. So how do we know we got the right part? That's the key to all web scraping. If you're not looking at the right apple to apple, then your pricing is going to be off. So this is really where the magic happens for WebDataGuru. If we click down into each part, it will show the history and the competitiveness of that part. But still, how do we know it's the right part? And that's where we can click in the product matching. Here we use AI, 5 levels of AI to validate each and every SKU every time we pull it. It looks at the name, the dimensions, the price, the attributes, and scores each one of those to come up with a confidence rating. And then the role of the pricing team after that is to just validate our process. Did we actually pull the right part or SKU? Once they validate or decline our polls, the entire system is based on machine learning. It will learn from that and never ask those same SKUs again. For those that need web scraping, like right now, today, we actually provide that as well. Any SKUs that we are searching for you can be web scraped immediately. All you have to do is go to this live price check, and within 30 seconds, you'll have live web scrapes from your competitors at that moment. I will say, finally, we in anything. So whether your requirements are API, Excel, Power BI, you name it, we can pipe into it. I will say we offer 2 different services. One's kind of data as a service, and then another one as software as a service, where we really get into dynamic pricing. And if you want our help building out rules and deploying those by location, this is where we could do it, and each individual location would have their own set of rules. And finally, rest assured you are in good hands, as Forbes India named us one of the top 200 tech firms, which is no small feat in India. And if you'd like to know more, please click on the QR code below, email me, or reach out to me via LinkedIn. And I appreciate your time. Thank you.